If, then, whats, and maybes. It is a game of probabilities, and we're going to be doing the deepest dive into Avax in this video that I've ever done. We're going to be going over the previous cycle, where we are in the current cycle, whether it's over as far as the bull market's concerned and as far as Avax is concerned, whether it can pull back further, how high can it go if we do get alt season. All of these questions are going to be answered in this video. Okay, so there was a lot of questions in the introduction that need answering. Firstly, introductions. I'm Keith. This is Crypto Bullseye. So anyone that's new to the channel, you're all welcome within this community. At the end of the video, if you think that I've added value, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. And let's be a part of this journey together. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at previously what's happened, and we're going to be measuring swings to try and identify and understand how far this thing could pull back, how high can it actually go in the bull market when we eventually get that alt season that we've been waiting for. So to do that, we need to go back to its previous bull market, and then we need to measure the swings from the previous bull market. And that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to bring up the Fibonacci extension tool, and we're looking for this 5-wave move. Now, the one thing to remember on a 5-wave move is wave 3 cannot be the smallest wave. So we're going to go from the low here to the high, then we pull back to the higher low. We need to identify that it's going to at least hit the 1-to-1 equal measured move for it to be confirmed. You can see we're nearly here, kissed the 1272. So there's the 1-to-1 equal measured move. Wave 3 is confirmed that it's bigger than wave 1. So that's good. So the way that it works, guys, you get the 5 waves to the upside. You've got your wave 1 here. There's your higher low. There's your higher high. There's your higher low. And then your wave 5, which is the blow off top. So you get your blow off top. And at the end of that, we're looking for an ABC equal measured move to give us an indication of where price action is likely to hit. Why is this important, guys? Let's do it and find out. See if this level is respected. These Fibonacci numbers, guys, absolutely amazing. They blow my mind each time. So you've got your bull market high. You're taking it down here. You've put in a lower low. You're coming back up and you're putting in a lower high. Now, an equal measured move would be a 1-to-1 move all the way down here. Look where price action hit, guys. To the T. To the T. 1-to-1 equal measured move. So we know that that worked. That was a pullback. That was an equal measured move. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this on the more recent price action to find out exactly how far this thing could pull back. Because we were talking about AVAX in this range, in this accumulated phase, and I'd said this is going to be one of the easiest 3Xs once we got a breakout. We got this on the channel, guys, 287%. Once we'd broken out of this level here, all the way to this previous resistance point, which was the previous bull market support level. Resistance expected. We knew this beforehand. Why did we know? Because of this. Support. This was the bull market support band. This was going to act as resistance going forward. We knew that. It's also another key level, the 38.2% retracement from its previous all-time high. So we know that that's a key resistance level. We knew it was going to get battered at this level at just over $60. So we were expecting a pullback, guys. How far were we expecting to pull back? We didn't know how far we were going to pull back. We didn't know when alt season was going to happen. We didn't know when the catalyst was going to happen. Hasn't happened yet. So we can measure the recent swings to find out, is wave 3 bigger than wave 1? Is this confirmed? And we use our Fibonacci extension tool again from this swing low to the high and then to its low. You can see that we've got a 1.618. So that was a big move. So we've got little 5 waves here, a lot smaller. This is a little bit of a bull market, but a lot smaller, all the way up to the 38.2% retracement, which is the important point now that I wanted to show you guys. So we've reacted at the 38.2, and then we're looking for a bigger ABC correction, a bigger equal measured move. How far would that take us? And does it coincide with any additional confluence when we look left? I'm going to find out now. So an equal measured move would take us all the way down here, guys, 1-to-1, all the way down here, $8, between $8 and $8.50. Is this a key level? Is this an important level? It is. That's where we got rejected. That's where we got a bounce from. That's where the buy levels were. That's where the buy levels were. That's where the buy levels were. Each time that we've hit this level, we've had buy levels. Now we've got a bit of a gap here. This was previous support from this build-up of price action. If we drop this level here, guys, if we drop this level, which we have at the moment, expect this to act as resistance and a possible move to the downside. Where would you expect to go, guys? Back here. The bear market support band that has held time and time and time and time again. So unfortunately, guys, this is the weekly chart. This is the higher time frame. Unfortunately, we've dropped a key level. This wick here is going to be a strong indication because this wick here gives us a last level of hope. If we do not hold this point here, which is $16.86, expect us to go all the way back down to $8. If it goes back down to $8, I'll be loading my bags, guys. I'll definitely be loading my bags at $8. Should you be loading your bags at $8? Completely up to you. It's not financial advice, but I just wanted to show you how these patterns played out in the previous cycle and how potentially they could play out again. It's looking like there's a high probability potentially we could go all the way to $8 on Avax. So be prepared for that, guys, and let me know in the comments if you found this useful. Right, okay, so that's bear market. That is bear market. We're in a bear market. We're in an accumulated phase. Bitcoin's been in a bull market. Altcoins haven't had their alt season yet. So how high can this thing go if it puts in new all-time highs and then carries on as far as alt season is concerned on a parabolic run? We can double click our Fibonacci retracement tool and we can build in some additional levels. The levels that we're going to build in are the 1272. 1272, where's that? Oh, we've got them built in already. So you've got the 1272, you've got your 1618 here. Okay, perfect. So we'll zoom out now. We'll zoom out and have a look at these key levels. You've got the 1272. The 1272 sat all the way at $185.26. Then you've got your big 1618 sat all the way at $233.07. So that would be my bull market projections if we put in new all-time highs and we continue with very huge alt season rally. How could the alt season rally play out this time, guys? We are late. We're a couple of months late as far as the business cycle is concerned. One thing that you need to remember, guys, the markets go through peaks, markets go through troughs. And within a bull market, there's a bear market. There's always a bear market within a bull market. That is a pullback, guys. Those pullbacks hurt people. So what I'm saying is we're a couple of months late. Is it going to pull back hard like it did in 2021? Or is it going to continue with 30% pullbacks like 2017? Or is it going to be a combination of both? Guys, we haven't got a clue. Markets do things differently. They rhyme, they don't repeat. And we need to accept exactly what stage we are in the cycle, what the market gives us. We need to understand if you've got projections, guys, and we're late in the cycle, taking profits along the way is a must. You need to start taking percentages of profits along the way during an alt season. But we'll be talking about that more once we finally get into alt season, once we finally get that catalyst. If you did enjoy this video on AVAX, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.